In this video guide, we will provide you with instructions on how to effectively get rid of the annoying pop-ups that are coming from the site Stream-core.xyz. So, Stream-core.xyz is a dangerous and deceptive website. It now attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. This website tries to mislead people and to trick them into clicking on a special allow button, supposedly to help them watch some video. But if people mistakenly do that, and if they click on that allow button, their browser is immediately hijacked and infected. So people start receiving the great portion of advertisements that are displayed in the right part of the screen. These ads are indeed multiple and very annoying. So to deactivate these ads, access the menu of the browser, go to settings, then you need to find privacy and security, scroll down to site settings, then in permissions select notifications. You should carefully research all these websites that are allowed to send notifications, and if you find this Stream-core.xyz, make sure you remove it from the list. To make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the application and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.